Hey everyone, in the previous video we talked about what AEM is. Today we get hands-on. Right now I don't have AEM running on my computer. So step 1, let's set it up together from zero. Before we install anything, let's clear up something important. AEM comes in two types, on-premise and cloud. On-premise is AEM 6.5. This is the older way. Your company buys it, your company runs it on its own servers. If you use this one, Adobe also gives you a license file. There are still some clients using older version of on-premise like AEM 6.4, AEM 6.3, etc. AEM 6.5 is the last on-premise version that Adobe has released. To run on-premise, we need Java 8 or Java 11 or Java 17. It depends on service pack that you are using. Now, coming to cloud. Cloud is AEM as a cloud service. For local work, Adobe gives you something called the Cloud SDK. People just call this the SDK file. To run cloud, you don't need any license file, but you do need at least Java 21 for the latest cloud SDK. Adobe removed support for the older Java 11 back in February 2026. Right now, 21 is what required. But always check Adobe's official documentation for the current version, since this can change over time. Which one you use is not really your choice. It depends on what your company already has or what your client already has. Many AEM developers works with both on different projects. For this video, we use Cloud SDK. Let's set it up. As I mentioned earlier, to run your AEM cloud server in your local, I need Java 21. Let's check it. Open your command prompt. Enter Java-version. As you can see, I already have Java 21 installed in my laptop. If you don't have installed Java in your machine, please install it. Now, next thing we need is SDK file. You will get this SDK file from Adobe Software Distribution Portal. First, you need an Adobe ID. Create one if you don't have. Then, that Adobe ID needs to be linked to an organization with AEM access. Without that link, you won't be able to download the file. I have already got the SDK zip downloaded here. Let's unzip it. This is the jar file we are going to use for our local AEM server. Copy this jar file. Go back to your folder. Create two folders. One is author. This will be used for creating author server. Another one is publish. This is for publish server. Now paste the jar file that you copied in both the folders. Now I am going to rename this jar file to AEM-author-P4502. So I am going to use 4502 port number for my author server. So if you notice this name, you have mentioned as author. That means this is going to be your author server. Coming back to publish. Here rename this to AEM-publish-P4503. 4503 is my publish server port number. I am using 4502 and 4503 because that's the usual standard for AEM. But you can use any port number you like as long as the name follows the same pattern. If you leave the port number out entirely, AEM picks one for you from its own list. These are the different port numbers that AEM will use. Based on the availability of port, it will pick one port number from this list. Quick word on something called run mode. I am going to explain run modes on coming session. As of now, remember it as settings. It tells AEM what job to do. author or publish. Here is the important part. Your run mode gets locked in first time you start the server. You cannot change it after that. So get the file name right before that first launch. Now, how to start your AEM server? There are two ways we can start our AEM server. One by double clicking the jar file, other one by using command prompt. Let's start our AEM servers. Go back to your folders, open author and double click. This will start your AEM author server. And go back to your published folder, open your terminal here, type java hyphen jar hyphen AEM publish. So if you are starting your server using terminal, it will ask for password. The default username is admin and you can enter whatever password you want. As of now, I am keeping admin as password. The first time you start the server, it takes few minutes. Behind the scenes, it is installing everything it needs. I am going to pause the recording here. I will resume back once both the servers are fully up and running. Seems like my author server is ready. It shows its usual login screen. To logging into author server, you need to enter admin and admin as username and password. Click enter. This is the start page of author server. My publish server is also up. Publish is a little different. It won't show a login screen at all. It is not built for that. With nothing published yet, you will likely just see an empty page or resource not found. This is completely normal at this point. Now our both the servers are up and running. Let's go back to our AEM author server. In the start screen, you will see tiles for sites, assets, experience fragments, and few others. We only need two of these today, sites and assets. Remaining items I am going to cover in coming sessions. Let's go into Sites console. This is the Sites console. Every website AEM manages show up here as a folder structure. Right now there is nothing here, no projects, no pages. That's because this is a brand new server. If you are using Cloud SDK like I am, this is normal. It starts empty on purpose. Now let's go back to our Assets console. To go back, you just need to click on this Adobe Experience Manager logo and click on Assets, Files. This is how it looks like. This is where we keep images, videos, and PDFs. It works a lot like folders on your own computer, folders inside folders. To make this demo easy to follow, we are going to install ready-made project called Weekend project. What is Weekend? It's Adobe's own demo website built for a made-up travel and adventure brand. Adobe made it so people like us can learn AEM on a real finished website instead of starting from a blank page. We are installing it now for one simple reason. It already has pages, templates, and components ready to go. To get Weekend project, open this GitHub link. Scroll down and click on this link. Here you will see two types of zip file. One is classic zip file, another one is SDK zip file. Classic is used for your on-premise AEM server and this one is used for your cloud servers. Click on this link, it will download the zip file. My download has completed. Now go back to your author server. In the URL, replace this with crx/packmgr. This is called Package Manager. This is used for installing packages into your server or creating packages from your server. Let's install the downloaded package here. Click on Upload Package button, click Browse and select the package that you have downloaded and click OK. It will upload your package into AEM. Once the package got uploaded, you need to click Install button. This will install package into your AEM server. Now we have to do same thing for our publish server also. Quick heads up here, unlike author, publish won't show you a login screen. If you go straight to tool like package manager or CRXTE, you need to log in first at a specific URL. Copy this URL, go to your browser, paste it here, and it will ask for login credentials. Enter admin and admin. Once you are logged in here, package manager will work normally as author. Go back to the package manager URL, click enter and upload the package that you have downloaded. Now click install. Now both the servers have weekend project. Now let's create our own page. Now go to your author server, open Sites console. You will see our new weekend project here. Click here. You will see different types of pages that are available in our weekend site. Click United States. These are all different pages that are available. You can select any page and click edit icon. It will open that page. This is called page editor. There are different types of components that are already authored in this page. Now let's go to our assets console. You will see there are some folders created by our new project. These are all different images that are available in this. Now I am going to create one folder called hiking. Inside hiking, I am going to upload few images. You can upload images by directly dragging and dropping here, or you can click on create and files. I have downloaded few images already. Let me upload all of them. It will take some time to process these images. Now our images are uploaded. Now let's create a page. Go back to Sites console again. Go to the place where you want to create your new page. Let's create my page here. Create page. These are all called templates. To create a page, we need one template. A template is a blueprint for a page. It decides page structure. It tells you what kind of content you can add and what an author is allowed to change. We are not going to build a template today. That's a bigger topic and it deserves its own video. For now, just know this. Weekend already comes with templates ready to use. I will pick one. Let's select content page template. Click next. Enter title for your page. I am going to use best hiking trails for beginners. You can put your name here. The name will show up in the URL. Or by default, AEM will create a name using the title. Now let's click create button and click open. This is the new AEM page that we have created. Let's add some content in this page. To add some content, we need to drag and drop new components into this placeholder called Parses, or you can click on this Parses placeholder and click plus icon. It will show you all the components that are available for this page. Now let's add one component called title component. By default, it has selected our title that we used for creating this page. Now let me update it. So I am going to update it to Best Hiking Trails for Beginners 2026. You can change size of the title also. By selecting this drop down, you can pick any one of them. As of now, I am going to pick H1 only. Click done. Okay, now I have authored my title component. Let's add some image component here. Now I am going to add image component by dragging and drop. Click on this icon. You will see three options. The first one is assets, second one is components. Click on components, and these are all components that are available here. Search it. I am looking for image component. Click enter. Okay, and let me drag and drop my image component here. Now my image component is in my page. Click on this icon. It will open the dialog. Now let me add some images here. Uncheck these two icons. Go back to your assets. You will see the images that you have uploaded earlier here. Let me use one of the image. Let me drag and drop this and add some accessibility text as hiking and click done. Now I have authored my image here. Now let's add one more component called text component. Open the component dialog. Let's add some text here. I have added some text here. I can style this text. And let's make it as heading 2 and click done. Okay, I have added my text component. Let's add one more component, button component. Open the dialog, add text as explore more, and the link for that button component, we can select it from here. This is called path field. You can select any page link here. Let's select adventures and click select and done. We have created our first AEM page. Our page is ready, but right now it only lives on author. That means only people like us with access can see it. To make it public, we need to publish it. Publishing sends the page to our publish server. The one real visitor will see it. But first, author and published need to know about each other. Right now, they don't. If we hit publish now, the page would go nowhere. Let's fix that. In the new tab, open localhost 4502/misc admin. Select replication, select agents on author, open this publish by double clicking. Click edit button. In this dialog, you need to configure your publish server details. So add admin here. Click on transport, go here, add your publish server details. Localhost 4503 and username and password of publish server admin and admin. Click OK. Sorry, I forget to enable this. Just open the dialog again, click enable button and click OK. Now click on test connection. It says succeed. That means your author server is now connected to publish server. This connection is called a replication agent. Think of it like a delivery route. It tells author exactly where to send things when we hit publish button. Now go back to your author page, click on this icon and click publish page and then click publish button. Let's open this page in publish server. Copy the URL, go back to your publish server, which is localhost 4503, and paste your URL and click enter. And here it is on publish. Same page, now leave for the world to see. That's the full journey from an empty page to something real anyone can visit. Let's recap what we did today. We discussed on-premise versus cloud and why that choice usually isn't really yours to make. We set up Cloud SDK locally. We created author and publish servers. We discussed about sites and assets console. We installed Weekend Project, a ready-made demo site. We built a page, a title, image, text, and button component. We connected author to publish and went live. That's component and template the hands-on way. Today we have discussed about Weekend Project. In the next session, we are going to create our own project. What are different folders that are available in that project structure, POM file, and the commands to deploy it to your local server. If this helped, click subscribe button. See you in the next video.